Hello, my name is Stacey Brook and I am the founder and chief advisor at College Essay Advisors. Today I'm going to introduce you to competitive summer program application essays. Though it might be a little bit frustrating when you first realize that some of these truly competitive summer programs require application essays akin to those required for your actual college applications, believe it or not, it's pretty amazing practice for that process. Generally speaking, the same principles apply. In all likelihood, these applications are going to feel a little foreign to you. You may not have been asked to respond to prompts like these before. So my first recommendation is really process the prompts and try to figure out what are these questions really asking me. Many applications include questions that ask you why you're applying to the program in question. To ace your response, you're going to want to build a bridge between what you've already done and what you hope to accomplish in the program. This is going to show that the program is going to build on your existing interest and skill set and propel you towards your goals. You're also going to want to be highly specific. You want to make sure if you dropped this application essay on the ground, no one else could pick it up and claim it as theirs. And when I say be specific, I mean mention the name of publications that you read. Talk about some of the scientific principles that really fascinate you. Go into some of the details of the program in question that are particularly interesting to you because they link up with other things you've studied or that you read about regularly. It's also possible an application will ask you questions related to the specific field you're pursuing. A summer leadership program, for example, might ask you about a leader you admire. A STEM program might ask you about a scientist you'd like to invite for dinner. Remember that what you choose to highlight is going to be as representative of you as the execution of the essay in question, so make sure to take some time, really brainstorm to come up with some creative approaches to the topic that really feel authentic to you.